chasing, no escape. Smoke and lasers fill the sky. Feel the pressure rising high. Shadows moving side to side. Bassline hits like ocean tides. Leave your worries at the door. Tonight we're chasing something more. Close your eyes and feel the sound. We're floating but we ain't touching ground. One more breath before we fall. Waiting for the bass to call. Lose control. Let the bassline shake your soul. Feel the fire, let the rhythm take control. Hands up high, let the whole night come alive. When the drop hits, we survive. Lose control. Let the speakers overload. Feel the energy explode. No tomorrow, no regrets tonight. We're born again beneath the lights. We're born again beneath the lights. Feel the ground begin to move. Everybody finds a groove. Faces lost inside the haze. Living for these stolen days. Every heartbeat, every sound pulls us deeper underground. Nothing else can pull us down. We're kings and queens without a crown. Higher, higher, higher. Don't let go. Feel the pressure start to grow. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Bassline rolling through my veins. Wash away the fear and pain. Jump together, touch the sky. Tonight we'll never say goodbye. When the lights come crashing down, silence never makes a sound. Still I hear that melody calling back to set me free. Free, 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 free. Lose control. Let the bassline shake your soul. Feel the fire, let the rhythm take control. Hands up high, let the whole night come alive. When the drop hits, we survive. One last ride, one last ride. Feel the darkness turn to light. Side by side until the end. Let the bassline rise again. Rise again. This is written to suit a high energy festival. Drum and bass track with huge build-ups. Lose control. City lights, city lights. City lights, they fade away. Heartbeat racing, no escape. Smoke and lasers fill the sky. Feel the pressure rising high. Shadows moving side to side. Bassline hits like ocean tides. Leave your worries at the door. Tonight we're chasing something more. Close your eyes and feel the sound. We're floating but we ain't touching ground. One more breath before we fall. Waiting for the bass to call. Lose control. Let the bassline shake your soul. Feel the fire. Let the rhythm take control. festival, drum and bass track with huge build-ups.